Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Epson LQ-310 printer driver in a Windows 11 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, go to any web browser that you like. I'm going to the Google Chrome and in search time type Epson LQ-310 driver download and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the Epson. Open the official website of the Epson. First link. Official website is open. Here we find our printer name Epson LQ-310. Scroll down. If you not select your operating system Windows 11, don't worry. Windows 10 64-bit is 110% working. If it's not selecting Windows 10 64-bit, then go to here, select Windows 10 64-bit or any 64-bit operating system. And here we find Go button. Click on that Go button. After that, scroll down and find drivers, expand drivers. Click on this plus button. Here we find printer driver. Click on this download. Wait for a few seconds. Here we find two options. LQ-310 printer driver. It's select your operating system and region. LQ-310 printer driver. Here we find the size. Click on this proceed to download. Click on I agree. Click on the download and download is started at the top. It's complete in a few seconds. Go to the downloads. Click on show in folder and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. This is a zip file. Right click on this zip file and here we find extract all, or click on show more options and click on extract files. Click on OK. New folder is created on desktop. Double click on it. Double click on it. Double click on WinX64 and here we find our drivers and we are going to install it. Go to the start. Type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. Go to the here add a printer or scanner. Click on add a device. Wait for a few seconds. New option is pop up in a few seconds. New option is the printer that I want isn't listed. Click on add a new device manually. Close it. Here we find many options. Go to the last option, add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select last option. Click on the next. Here we find existing port. Click at here and select any USB port that you want. USB 001, USB 002, 003, 004. Select your USB port. Click on the next. Click on have disks. Click on browse. Go to the desktop. Go to our newly extracted folder. Double click on it. Go to the WinX64. Select file. Select this file. Click on open. Click on OK. Here we find our printer name Epson LQ-310 and this printer name ESC P2. Click on the next. Give any name that you like. I give the Epson LQ-310. Click on the next. It's installed on printer in a less than few seconds. After that, if you want to share in network, last option I don't, so I select do not share this printer. Click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a print a test page or click on a finish. Next option is check out printer is properly working or not. Go to the start. Type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printer list, if you find your printer name Epson LQ-310, that means your printer is properly working and it's 110% work in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.